Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use the Fundbox dashboard. Now, the Fundbox dashboard is your command center, so let's walk through exactly how to navigate it and to use it efficiently. First, log into your Fundbox account on fundbox.com, and once you're in, on the dashboard homepage, you're going to see a snapshot of your available credits, outstanding balance, and of course, upcoming repayments. Use the top menu to navigate to credit lines for draw options, repayments to track or pay down your balance, and transactions to view your draws and repayment history. Click on any metric or section for more detailed information. Everything is clickable for much deeper insights. A pro tip is to bookmark your dashboard and check in weekly to stay on top of repayments and credit availability. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.